So our tip of the week is how to use our leaves that are falling in your yard as a flower bed mulch. So it's pretty simple. As we're going through and raking up our leaves, we can just rake those into our flower beds. And what that'll do is act as a natural mulch as it breaks down. It'll help protect our plants. It also protects the soil. So when those rains and compacting the soil, it'll prevent that a little bit and also helps with some erosion control. So come springtime, it'll be easy. We can either rake whatever's left out or we can just add a fresh load of mulch over the top and it'll protect our flower beds. So that's our tip of the week, is how to protect our flower beds, what they're using our garden leaves.